Hi guys, welcome to Gadget Bridge. This is Sulabh and Vivo NEX has been launched in India. The Chinese are overtaking the Koreans and the Americans when it comes to innovation. We've got the box, let's see the inside contents. Also, I'm going to give you my first impression of the device. Alright guys, before we go ahead, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you see our videos first. Alright, so this is the box of Vivo NEX. It says Russia 2018. Yes, they were the partners of the Football World Cup that was held in Russia and just got concluded. So let's see what's inside the box and how the phone looks like. I'm just gonna take that off, gonna bring the phone out. It says fingerprint sensor and do not block the infrared on top. I'll keep that aside for a second. So this is the Vivo NEX. It was launched as Vivo NEX S internationally. There is a NEX A version of the smartphone as well, but in India they've just launched the NEX, which is basically the NEX S. Pretty neat to look at. The USP of the smartphone is its camera that pops out on the top. Okay, so let's see what else is inside the box. I'm just going to keep this device on the side for a second. I think this just slides out. Yes. Very neatly packed, tucked in headphones, pair of headphones, somewhat like the Apple iPhone, they tuck it in the same manner. You've got the power brick here, USB, and a couple of manuals here with the SIM ejector tool, and also one neat looking silicone style cover. Also you get underneath is the USB charging cable. The phone charges using USB Type-C cable, so this must be it. Just gonna keep that aside. Right, so this is the Vivo NEX smartphone. I'm just gonna turn it on. And I'm gonna give you my first impressions of the phone. So the Vivo NEX hits all the right keynotes when it comes to specifications. To start with, the Vivo NEX smartphone runs the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset. It has 8 gigs of RAM and 128 GB storage. This is expandable using a micro SD card. For graphical performance, the smartphone has Adreno 630 GPU and is set to have a new cooling system which will keep it very cool. The Vivo NEX sports a 6.59 inch full HD plus touchscreen that's basically 1080 by 2316 pixels. It's a Super AMOLED Ultra Fullview display and has an aspect ratio of 19:3:9. Alright, so the first thing you'll notice is that this smartphone does not have a notch. There is no notch on this smartphone. It is almost edge to edge touchscreen. There's a little bit of chin at the bottom, but it's a clean display. You basically have nothing around the screen. As far as the detailing and the form factor of the mobile phone is concerned, you've got the power button on the right with the volume rocker right above it. On top you have the poppable front facing camera, a 3.5mm jack and a microphone. At the back you have a dual camera setup with a LED flash. The NEX branding is right underneath. At the bottom you get the dual SIM card slot. You can slot in 2 nano SIMs. It is 4G VoLTE ready. You've got a USB Type-C charging port and a speaker grill. It's a single speaker grill. So the fingerprint sensor is at the bottom part of the touchscreen. The rear camera setup is powered by 2 camera sensors. The primary one is powered by a 12 MP primary Sony sensor. It has also got 4-axis optical image stabilization. The secondary camera right underneath it is powered by a 5 megapixel sensor. Alright, so let's go ahead and see the front camera. We're just gonna pop it open and see how it works. We'll do it again. Let's pop open the front camera and see how it opens. Pretty neat. And it goes down again. So the Vivo NEX is available for 44,990. That is almost at par with the OnePlus 6, and it's going to start selling in India on the 21st of July, Amazon being its partner. This phone weighs 200 grams and in the hand it is quite light. We are going to test out the cameras as well. We are going to review it a little further. We'll come to know how the phone fares on our test bench. Like we said, it's for almost 45,000 rupees in the Indian market. It's an innovative new phone. You haven't seen a design like this ever before, a pop-out camera. And we are eager to test it further and understand what this phone is all about. Alright guys, so that's the Vivo NEX. This is the latest smartphone by Vivo. It's their flagship. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. We have a neat little Instagram page as well. Do follow us there. Couple of giveaways are on their way. Alright, this is Sulabh signing off for Gadget Bridge.